Hello everyone, welcome back to Netcode-Hub channel. I am Frederick, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to use Visual Studio to clone a GitHub repo. So in general, GitHub is a web-based platform that provides hosting for software development and version control using Git. It allows multiple developers to work on a project simultaneously and also tracking changes to their code base. It also enables developers to merge their changes seamlessly and help manage different versions of the code. When you create your application or when you create your project, we normally push it to GitHub. And I'm going to show you today with the Visual Studio how you can clone this repo easily. So let's say that is the starting point of my Visual Studio. If I want to clone any repo, I just have to click on Continue with that code. And now in here, as soon as the page or the app loads, just go to GitHub or the Git changes or any of this, because we have the GitHub tab here. Click on that. And I can see we have clone repository. So click on that, and you can see here, you're going to copy the location or the address, the link of that repository, and I'll paste it here. And you choose a location where you want to put the source code. So now let's go for a link. So example is we're going to navigate to Netcode on YouTube channel. Then we are going to search for one of the links so we can get the source code and I'll clone it from GitHub. So I have the channel open. So we're going to be using this quick grid. So let's click on this video. And in the video description, we can just go in for this. And you can see we have the GitHub link in here. So we can click on this GitHub link. And it's going to open in the GitHub page for us. We go in there, we grab the source code, or we grab the link. Then we can just clone it. So there's a link. You can just copy from here. Or you can click on this and I'll grab the link. Or you can also click on Open with Visual Studio. And it's going to open in the Visual Studio directly for you. Okay. For now, let's grab the link from here. You can just grab it. Let's go to the Visual Studio. And now in here, click on the Git changes. Or you can see we have Git tab here. You can click on it. And I click on Clone Repository. So in here, paste in the link. That is the link here. And now choose a location that you want to store this project. Alright, so I have a location chosen. Now, after doing this, what I'm going to do here is to click on Clone. And now it's going to clone the project. So let's wait for that. As you can see, it is doing it. And it is done. So let's see. Click on the Solution Explorer. Now that is this one. So you can see now we have the project in here. If I click on it, you can see we have the whole source code in here. Now what we need to do here is just run the application. And it's going to install the necessary packages that the project needs and get the project run. So let's have a look. I click on this run. All right, so you can see that the app is running, and as you can see, it is loading the UI. Yeah, so that is very simple. It is very easy to do that with the Visual Studio. Okay, so we have it, and maybe let's try this and see if this is going to work. So here, what this way is going to do here is we have an in-memory storage. So we are not actually having a database connectivity. So we can decide to try this out. So click on save, and I can see it has been added over here. So that is it for this video. This is a very quick and short one. Thank you so much for watching. I believe for now, those who don't know how to clone projects, now you know. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to catch you up in the next video.